Assalamu alaikum. I'm Chef Manur and you're watching The Chefs. And summer season की गर्मी को fight करने के लिए I've brought you a very refreshing and cool drink, Spring Fever. Now let's go to our recipe. For this recipe, we need to make our own mango syrup. So we have taken 1 pureed mango, and in a hot pan, we're adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. That's it. This is all. You just have to cook it for about 2 minutes until the mango has released its water and the sugar has dissolved, and your mango syrup will be ready. We're going to take 1 glass of apple juice and pour it equally into our 2 glasses. This is 1 glass of mango juice. One and a half cup of orange juice. We're going to add our tomato syrup. We're just going to add 1 teaspoon in each. Now we're going to add our 4 tablespoons of lime juice. Since we're using a teaspoon, we're adding 3 in each. We're going to mix it again. Now we're going to add our ice. This is a very easy to make recipe which you can make anytime at home with minimal products. I'm using chopped mangoes as a garnish. It's up to you. You can even use lime slices. You can use mint leaves, whatever you prefer, and our Spring Fever is ready.